Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to do some chicken wings, fried chicken wings. These are really highly spiced. We've got nutmeg in there, fennel, we've got all different stuff in there. It's really, really beautiful. Nice and crispy on the outside. I've just eaten one here. Let me have a little. As you can see that. It's beautifully cooked, juicy on the inside. Really tastes amazing. Let's go and do it. Okay, so let's get our seasoned flour together. Now what I like to use is corn flour or cornstarch, which is the same thing, and wheat flour, equal parts of. So I've got like 2 tablespoons there. A little bit of sugar, brown sugar, I like that in there, which is probably about half a tablespoon. And then some spices. Now you can use any spices that you like. This is what I'm going with today. So I've got a teaspoon of salt and pepper, turmeric and cumin powder, and then I've got half a teaspoon of nutmeg, paprika, star anise or anise powder, and fennel powder, which I think gives it a wonderful flavour. If you wanted, you could go kind of a bit more traditional way and use garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder and paprika. That's pretty common, but I think these flavours really, really boom out in this. Simply, we're going to get that all together in a bowl, mix it up, then we can move on. And there we go. Really simple, highly seasoned, beautiful flour. Eggs, 3 eggs for the amount we're using today, beaten up. So the flour and our eggs is ready. Let's take a look at the chicken. Okay, so here's our chicken wings. I've got like 20 of them there. I'm keeping them just like that. You can cut them into 2 parts if you want. I'm keeping them just like that. Really simply, what we're going to do is we're going to get them coated in the flour. We're going to dip it in the egg, then we're going to dip it in the flour again, then we're going to go over to the cooker. Really simple. Okay, so stage 1 is done. What we've done there, as you can see, give it a nice light dusting with our seasoned flour. Next up, take 1 piece of the chicken, it goes into the egg, it then goes back into the flour, set that aside, and we're ready to go. Let me get all of those ready for you now. Okay, so there you go, we've got our wings ready there, double dipped up. What we're going to do is get them in some oil. I've got like 2 or 3 centimeters of oil here. The oil I'm using is a sunflower oil. You want to use a kind of neutral type oil, i.e. not a flavored oil like olive oil or walnut oil or anything like that. Let's just check the temperature of this. That's good. You don't want it much more than that. I'll leave some directions below regarding the temperatures. We're going to get like 4 or 5 pieces in. Don't overcrowd the pan. And for this size wing, we're going to go for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can flip them over every now and then if you want. Okay, this is 5 or 6 minutes now. As you can see, the oil is not going crazy. We're not making French fries here. We want the chicken to cook inside. For a nice kind of golden brown like that. Onto some paper towel or kitchen towel. We're going to repeat the process, and then we're done. I'll see you at the table when they're all done. Okay, and there you go. They're really, really delicious. Don't mind all this black on it. That black is the spices that we've got in there. It's very, highly spiced what we've done. They're super, super delicious. Let me grab one here. Open it out for you. Really juicy inside. Beautifully cooked. Really hot. I'm going to give it a little taste. They're fantastic, really. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.